So I've got myself a couple of these steel wheat pennies, and today I'm gonna anneal them, which means I'm gonna be putting them under fire to soften the metal. And since these are steel, I will not be quenching them in water. I have to air dry them, and this is gonna be a long video, however long it takes to anneal these. So if you want to watch, stick around. Don't mind the mess on my desk. Hopefully this will let me focus in on this before I get started. As you can see, this is a steel wheat penny from 1943, and I'm gonna burn it. I've marked on this coin with it's a dry erase marker, but Sharpie works too, and that just lets me know basically this has reached a certain temperature where the metal will be soft enough to bend. And then you can see that marker is burnt off. Show you what it looks like now without burning myself. And now I'm just going to set it on this rock over here with the rest of these and let it air cool because it's really hot. Alright, let's do another one. Take a look at it before we start. This one's really got a lot of corrosion. Hey, if you've never seen me on TikTok before and you think this is pretty cool, go ahead and follow me. If you think this is really cool, you should go to my website, coinringmaker.com. I've got lots of cool stuff there. Alright. Now sometimes they get this little greenish yellow color. I don't know what's up with that. Pretty cool. We'll do one more real quick. This one's all rusted up. Here's a look at it.